Welcome back. By now you probably recognize Phil's Motorhome. Maybe I should just rename this channel Phil's RV channel. But anyway, today we're going to put a 400 watt solar system on top of his motorhome, and hopefully you'll see how relatively simple a solar installation can be. Hope you enjoy it. So we're day 2 of the install on Phil's solar system, and back here by the chassis battery in his country coach, we put in a Victron charge controller and a couple fuses, drug all the wiring. What didn't make for exciting footage, so you probably won't see much of that. But today, what we'll be working on is running the wiring from the refrigerator, run that up, and you can't see from this angle, but there's a roof fin up there, and that's how we're going to get the wires up to the solar panels.
Ice picked to dig this out. Looks like it's a Phillips head, you guys.
So is that screw number 4 or 3?
That's number 3. Hello, YouTubers.
So he's one of our good friends, and he's like the rest of us, he's non-compensated on-screen talent and non-compensated RV tech for Phil, since it appears that all of my videos relate to things we're working on Phil's RV. And here's Phil. Good. So we've got that off, and we're going to run the wires from the solar panels back through the back of the refrigerator to get down to the bottom of the coach.
There we go. It's coming. Ready? We're along in the back more than the front.
All right, so we are exactly 5 inches in from the paint where that foot is. Here.
So here's what I'm going to do, Dan, is I'm going to pilot hole one screw here and one here to hold it in place.
Yep.
And then we'll come back and put the die core and then drill those down. Then I can take these two out and do this side. Drill, okay.
All right.
Why don't you go ahead and get the other there if you can reach. Looks good.
$23 volts.
Yeah, the sun's coming out.
Yeah, this was the part that I hated the most when I installed mine.
Was screwing through the roof?
Well, no. Dealing with the die core.
Yeah. It's messy.
Yeah.
But it does a good job, though. It does what it's supposed to do.
Where are we at
Pushing
now?
out like this, you can see you're going to have a real good seal there.
Yeah, move it over.
There you go.
It's in. All right, 40, still 46.3. Okay.
One of the things that I like about Victron is their app that lets you see what's going on. You can see how many watts are being produced, the amps, and the state of the battery charge. Thanks for joining us. I'm always looking for new subscribers. If I can ever get to 100, my wife has promised that I get to buy a better camera. Anyway, thank you, and hope you'll come back for the next video.